In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs. Whether you're diving into the world of text-to-speech for the first time or you're an experienced user looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will help you make the most of what ElevenLabs has to offer. Let's begin. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to ElevenLabs' website. This platform is specifically designed to make text-to-speech as seamless and effective as possible. Once you're there, the next step is to either create a new account or log into your existing one. If you're just starting out, don't worry, it only takes a few moments to set up an account. With these details taken care of, you're all set to explore the available features. Now, based on your specific needs, you can choose between a free or paid plan. If you're new to the platform or have minimal requirements, a free plan might be just right for you. But if you need access to more features or higher quality audio, you might want to consider one of the paid options. These plans offer enhanced capabilities that ensure you get the best out of your text-to-speech experience. With the account setup finalized, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar on the website. Here, you'll find the text-to-speech option, which is the heart of the platform. Click on it to get started. You're now at the crucial part, inputting your text. You can either paste text in or type directly into the provided space. This is where the magic begins, as you are about to transform written words into speech. After entering your text, it's time to select a voice that best fits your intended tone. ElevenLabs offers a variety of pre-made voices that simulate natural speech patterns and intonations. Choosing the right voice can make a significant difference in how your final product sounds, so take a moment to sample and decide what works for your content. Once you have selected your voice, you can enhance it with stability and style settings. These are adjustable parameters that allow you to fine-tune the delivery of your speech. Whether you aim for a calm and steady voice or something with more dynamic flair, these settings let you customize your audio output to suit any situation. Having made these adjustments, the next step is to click on Generate Speech. This will process your input text and apply your selected settings to create the audio. It only takes a few seconds for ElevenLabs to generate your speech, so the wait isn't long at all. Finally, once the audio is ready, you can download the file. This allows you to save your work for future use or immediate sharing. You can use it in presentations, videos, or anywhere else you need professional quality speech. And there you have it. As simple as that. ElevenLabs offers an intuitive and efficient way to produce high-quality text-to-speech audio. Give it a try and see how it can elevate your content to new heights.